So, you've committed to packing carry-on only, and fitting everything into one little bag feels daunting. But it doesn't have to be that way. I've been a carry-on only traveler for over a decade, and I've even lived out of a carry-on for 6 straight months at one point. I've learned a lot along the way, and so today I'm sharing 4 minimalist packing tips to help you pack efficiently and save space. First and foremost, before ever touching your bag, create a detailed list of everything you need, from clothes to your phone charger. Trust me, even as an experienced traveler, I forget things without a list. If you tend to overpack or worry about forgetting something, try a test pack. You'll live out of your bag for a week or so before your trip to see what you actually use and what may be missing. Prioritize versatility. Minimalist packing is about choosing versatile items that serve multiple purposes. Shoes you can dress up or down, a power bank that doubles as a phone stand. Clothing tends to take up the most space, so here's a few principles to follow. First, plan to dress in layers to avoid bulky items. And when it comes to smart travel clothing, nothing beats merino wool. Merino is lightweight and wrinkle resistant, meaning it packs very well. It's also naturally moisture wicking and antibacterial, so it resists odor. This means that you can re-wear pieces made of merino wool and thus pack fewer clothing items in general. For example, on a 2-week trip to Europe, I might only pack 5 shirts and they're all merino. Kit and compress. Organization is key. Use compression packing cubes to group similar items and save space. I typically use 3, one for tops, one for workout gear, and one for socks and undies. Don't have packing cubes? A simple hack is using gallon-sized Ziploc bags with all the air pressed out. Configure smart. Finally, make use of every inch of your bag. Roll clothes, but fold pants flat at the bottom. Pack socks and chargers inside your shoes and keep toiletries and tech accessible for airport security. And then you'll wear your bulkiest items on the plane. With access to laundry while traveling, you can pack even less. And for the best ways to do laundry while traveling, including how to care for merino wool, check out this next video. Thanks so much for watching. Happy travels.